Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is introduction of letter B and objectives. To recognize B sound through pictures and common words. To trace and copy letter B. Today I have very interesting things for you. आज मैं आपके लिए नई नई फ्लैश कार्ड लाई हूँ. Look at this. Wow, this is ball. Repeat with me. मेरे साथ पढ़िए. Ball, ball, ball. And this is bat. Bat, bat, bat. This is boat. Boat, boat, boat. Repeat with me. Wow, this is banana. Banana, banana, banana. Now I put all these things in different places and you tell me कि ये चीज़ें कहाँ पड़ी हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, क्लोज योर आइज. नाउ ओपन योर आइज एंड टेल मी वेयर इज बनाना. Oh yes, on the board. Well done. This is another banana. Okay. You tell me, where is bat? Good. In the hand. Where is boat? Yes, on the table. अब आप मुझे इनके नेम बताएंगे. What is this? ये क्या है? Well done. Ball. Repeat with me. Ball, ball, ball. What is this? Oh yes, this is bat. Bat, bat, bat. And what is this? Excellent. This is boat. Boat, boat, boat. What is this? Very good. This is banana. Repeat with me. मेरे साथ पढ़िए. Banana, banana, banana. Students, क्या आपको इन तमाम चीज़ों की बिगिनिंग साउंड आती है? नहीं आती? चलिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ. गौर से सुनिए. इन तमाम चीज़ों की बिगिनिंग साउंड ब है. Repeat with me. B, B, B. B banana, B banana, B banana. B ball, B ball, B ball. Very good. B bat, B bat, B bat. B boat, B boat, B boat. Students, do you like the game? क्या आपको गेम अच्छी लगती है? चलिए मैं आपके साथ गेम खेलूँगी. I spy with my little eyes something on the board beginning with the sound B. Well done. B bat. But I have else in my mind. लेकिन मेरे जहन में तो कुछ और है. Oh yes, B boat. Good. I spy with my little eyes something in the hand beginning with the sound B. Oh yes, B boat. I spy with my little eyes something on the board, beginning with the sound B. B. Banana. But I have else in my mind. लेकिन मेरे जहन में तो कुछ और है. B. Ball. Yes, बॉल की बिगिनिंग साउंड भी ब है, लेकिन मेरे जहन में तो कुछ और है. Oh yes, B. Bee. B. Bee. I spy with my little eyes something on the table, beginning with the sound B. Well done. B. Banana. Dear students, क्या आप ब से मिलना चाहते हैं? सारे ब से मिलना चाहते हैं? ओके, क्लोज योर आइज. अपनी आंखें बंद कीजिए. नाउ ओपन योर आइज. अब अपनी आंखें खोलिए. दिस इज ब. इसका नाम है बी और बी की साउंड है ब. रिपीट विथ मी. बी बी बी. बी ब. ब बनाना. ब बनाना. ब बनाना. ब बनाना. ब बॉल. ब बॉल. ब बॉल. ब बैट. ब बैट. ब बैट. ब बॉट. ब बॉट. ब बॉट. नाउ ओपन योर इंग्लिश बुक. कल हमने लेटर ए के बारे में पढ़ा था. यू टेल मी व्हाट्स द साउंड ऑफ ए. वेल डन. ए. What is this? Very good. Apple. What's the beginning sound of apple? Good. A. A apple. What is this? Well done. This is X. What's the beginning sound of X? Good. A X. What is this? Good. Ant. This is ant. What's the beginning sound of ant? Very good. A ant. Ant. What is this? Well done. This is arrow. What's the beginning sound of arrow? Very good. A. What comes after A? A. B. B. What is the name of this letter? Yes, B. What's the sound of B? Well done. B. Repeat with me. B ball. B ball. B ball. B bat. B bat. B bat. B bot. B bot. B bot. Repeat with me. B banana. B banana. B banana. What's the beginning sound of banana? Good. B. What's the beginning sound of bat? Well done. B. B bat. What's the beginning sound of ball? Good. B. Look. You trace the letter B like this. B is down and round. Students, you trace the B. Now open your English notebook and look at the whiteboard. Students, आपने मेरे साथ राइटिंग करनी है. Point between the plain line and trace back on the plain line. Trace back on the plain line, then down and round between the plain line. This is A. A. What comes after A? आज हम A से next letter लिखना सीखेंगे. Look, point out the first line. This is skyline. Trace down to the worm and plain line and round the plain and worm line. B. What is the name of this letter? B. What comes after A? Repeat with me. What comes after A? B. Point to the skyline and trace down the plain and worm line and round between the plain and worm line. B is down and round. B is down and round. What is the name of this letter? Well done. B. You write the letter B on the next line. B is down and round. B is down and round. B. Next, you write the letter B. B is down and round. B is down and round. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने लेटर बी के बारे में पढ़ा है और बी की साउंड सीखी है. आप मुझे बताइए बी की साउंड क्या है? यस, ब बैट, बॉट, ब बनाना, ब बॉल. और हमने लेटर बी लिखना सीखा है. This is your home assignment. Write and learn alphabet A to B and read the book page number 5. Okay, Allah Hafiz.